Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and selamat datang di Study with Nova. Welcome in Study with Nova. So this is the last questions using while loop. So write a program that polls users about their dream vacations, and then write a prompt similar. If you could visit one place in the world, where would you go? Include a block of code that prints the result of the poll, and then it's just like okay. Wait a minute. I trying to using Squid to okay same, that's it. So I think we must make using list, that is maybe response, that is the list, that is list of what's the meaning, paste in the words, so the response is empty. And then I think what's a polling is true, and then while polling, okay, because is it true, and then we use, it's like before, response is something that we must not integer actually, because this is the name of in the word. So response is the list, right? So the response is input something, input. Okay, input, what is input? If you could visit one place, wait, would you go? Then while polling, respond, and then we get the response, always in the response. And then if we if the response is dot lower, it is same like before, dot lower width, then break, else we have some response, right? So else wait a minute, using response and response. Okay, wait, where is using response? Open that, no, else, and then okay, add dot using responses dot append dot response. Is it true? I think it's not true. Responses I'm sorry. Okay, forget. Okay, this is forget. If you have list, you must make in plural, so that's why this is responses, and then I append the response is not plural because the input is just only one, right? And then if the response word is quit, and then you must pick F, you must append the response. So this is quite easy. Then you have for response, in response, because it's like I will visit blah 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 blah, print F, I will visit the response. because the response is your input, right? So let's try. 7 times verification. If you cross it, where would you go? I would go to Jakarta, and then Surabaya, and then go to Malang, maybe, and then go to Paris, Amsterdam, and then Utrecht, CHT, Utrecht, exit. No exit, just quit, and then yeah, I will visit blah 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 blah. So if you want to add title to make it, is it true? I forget. Mekah, Madinah, and then exit, not exit. Quit, I'm sorry. No, respond the title, is it true? Let's try again. Mekah, Madinah, wait, no. How to make it in title? Your response in title. Oh, I think I will add this. Is it good? No. Oh. Lower. I don't know how to solve this. Okay. Yeah. Wait. I want to make step 1. Now work with, and then I don't know how to make this using style, because name is using title. I will visit blah blah blah. Forget. Let's try again. So Jakarta, Bandung. Okay, and then you just quit. You visit Jakarta and Bandung. Okay, but yeah, how make it using title? Somehow in the last we try, this is so easy, just using response. Oh, I think this is okay. Response. Using title here. Why is it not? This is not good. Oh, good. I'm sorry. Maybe I just something wrong before. Okay, it is good. So don't forget to add to your GitHub. But me as using this, using Appen and what using Appen with my origin. Done. It is quite more easy than before the 3 exits. Yeah. Then we move to next chapter that is much more complicated. That is using, what is using if? I forget. Oh, using function, def something and function. Wow, it's quite interesting. So let's try chapter 8. Bye bye.